What's the meaning of birth? Birth. Birth.
Birth. Birth. The term birth refers to the process of bringing a new life into the world. It is a complex and miraculous event that involves the emergence of a baby from its mother's body, marking the beginning of its journey in the outside world. Birth can occur through various methods, including vaginal delivery or cesarean section, and can be accompanied by varying levels of pain and discomfort. From a biological perspective, birth is a critical milestone that enables the continuation of a species. However, it is also a deeply personal and emotional experience that can have a profound impact on both the parent and child, shaping their lives in countless ways.